Agito Academy. Students, a few students have given message to make easy notes of the chapter 1. So today we are going to discuss important question answer of chapter 1, matter in our surroundings of class 9. Now without wasting time, now let's start, and please remember students, don't skip the video. Class 9, the first chapter, matter in our surroundings, very short answer type questions. The number 1, first question, what is matter? Give some examples. Anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. Or anything which has volume and mass is called matter. ये दोनों में से आप कोई भी एक डेफिनेशन को दे सकते हैं, दोनों में से कोई एक को आप लिख सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट, एग्जांपल्स, चेयर, पेन, टेबल, बुक, एयर, वाटर, जो भी हम लोग के सराउंडिंग्स, जो भी कुछ रहता है जो स्पेस ऑक्युपाइज करता है एंड जिसका मास होता है, वो सारे के सारे मैटर्स होता है. ओके, राइट डाउन टू कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर. The particles of matter shows the following characteristics. Matter is made up of particles. Particles of matter are very small in size. Or particles of matter are in state of motion. Particles of matter have empty space between them. Particles of matter attract to each other. A substance has no mass. Can we consider it as matter? जिसका मास नहीं होता है, कैसे उसे क्या हम लोग एज ए मैटर कंसिडर कर सकते हैं? नो, मैटर मस्ट हैव मास एंड ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस. मीन्स ये दोनों ही फैक्टर डिपेंड करता है, उसमें मास भी होना जरूरी है एंड ऑब्वियसली ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस. ओके, कन्वर्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, convert 300 Kelvin into Celsius scale and minus 10 degree Celsius into Kelvin scale. It is so easy students. We already explained, we already discussed in the previous video in the chapter. So first of all, 300 Kelvin minus 273 is equal to 26 degrees Celsius. Number 2, minus 10 degrees Celsius plus 273 is equal to 263 Kelvin. Okay. Now question number 5, name the property of gases due to which it is possible to fill CNG in cylinder for using as fuel in cars. Answer, gases can be easily compressed. Okay, why the gases can be easily compressed? Because the intermolecular space is very far from to each other, or the force of attraction is very weak. Okay, rubber band, question number 6, rubber band change its shape, it is solid. Yes, it is solid because it regains its shape. Okay, question number 7, does evaporation cause a physical change or a chemical change? Evaporation is a physical change. Okay, select the, question number 8, select the substances from the following which do not have the property of sublimation. Camphor, potassium permanganate and copper sulfate, naphthalene. Potassium permanganate and copper sulfate do not have property of sublimation. You know that what is the sublimation? Sublimation क्या है? Directly solid directly changes to gas and gas directly changes to solid. Okay student, give reason, question number 9, give reasons to explain why it takes longer to dry wet clothes in humid weather. The answer, it is because air is already saturated with water vapor, therefore it will not be able to hold more water vapors easily. Humid weather means the water molecules present in the air more and more. Clear? Question number 10, convert 370 Kelvin into Celsius scale, means degree Celsius. So answer, 370 Kelvin minus 273 is equal to 97 degrees Celsius. We already explained the formula in the previous video. Question number 11, how does spreading of wet clothes quicken their drying? Explain. It increases exposed surface area due to which water gets evaporate at faster rate. Students, we already know that evaporation depends on the few factors, though one factor is also the surface area. Okay. Question number 12. What is dry ice? What happens when the pressure under which it is started is decreased to 1 atmosphere? So answer will be dry ice is solid carbon dioxide, means dry carbon dioxide, CO2. If pressure is decreased, it will change into vapors. Question number 13. With which name is the phenomenon of changing of a liquid into its vapors at temperature below its boiling point known? So this is called the sublimation. So what is the sublimation, students? This is the answer. Question number 13. There is an answer of sublimation, the process of sublimation. Student, don't skip the video. Again I am repeating, because just now I told you one important answer of sublimation which is written in the question. Okay. Question number 14. What is full form of CNG? Mention its one property which makes it so important. CNG, its full form, compressed natural gas. It does not create pollution on combustion. You know combustion. Combustion means the process of burning. It is clean fuel which makes it so important. 15. Sponge is solid but still it can be compressed. Why? Sponge has pores which has air, therefore it can be compressed. Okay. Question number 16. Why is the temperature remain constant during sublimation? It is because heat of vaporization and fusion overcome the force of attraction between particles. Question number 17. What is evaporation? It is process of converting liquid into vapors. Student, what is the process called of converting liquid into vapors? The answer will be evaporation. Question number 18. When a solid melts, its temperature remains constant. So, where does the heat energy go? What is the name given to this heat? The heat energy is used to overcome intermolecular force of attraction. So, it is called latent heat of fusion. Question number 19. Why light is not considered as a matter? Because it is because it does not occupy space. Question number 20. Is smell of clove or cardamom a matter? No, because it does not have mass and does not occupy space. Question number 21. What happens to the boiling point of a liquid when atmospheric pressure decreases? Answer. When atmospheric pressure decreases, boiling point of liquid also decreases, student. Question number 22. How temperature in the Celsius and the Kelvin scale are related to each other? Temperature in Kelvin is equal to degree Celsius plus 273. Temperature in Celsius equal to temperature in Kelvin minus 273. Okay. Now 23. Define the term sublimation. Again the sublimation. So what is the sublimation? Sublimation is the process in which solid directly changes into vapors and vapors directly changes into solid. Question number 24. Write the names of any two substances which sublime. That is also camphor and iodine. Water coolers are not effective on a rainy day. Give reason. It is because the humidity is more in air on a rainy day. Means more and more water molecules present in the air. Therefore, rate of evaporation will be decreased. Question number 26. Write one similarity between three states of matter. All the answer will be all the three states of matter are made up of particles, small particles. Question number 27. Why common salt is dissolved in water? What will be change in volume and why? there is no change in volume. It is because common salt particles occupy the space between molecules of water. So this is called, this occupied space means this empty space is called intermolecular space. Students, intermolecular space. So that's why the volume will not change. Okay. What is tincture iodine? A solution of iodine in alcohol is known as tincture of iodine. Means tincture iodine अल्कोहल में जब आयोडीन को मिक्सअप किया जाता है उसे हम लोग कहते हैं टिंचर ऑफ आयोडीन. दैट मीन्स इन दिस आंसर और इन दिस क्वेश्चन अल्कोहल इज द सॉल्वेंट एंड आयोडीन इज द सॉल्यूट. सो okay students. Question number 29. Define latent heat of vaporization. It is defined as heat required to convert 1 kg of liquid into vapors completely at its boiling point. Question number 30. Gases exert pressure on the walls of the container. Explain. Answer. The molecules of gases collide with themselves as well as with the walls of containers. That's why they exert pressures. Okay. Evaporation causes cooling. Explain. Question number 31. Answer. Evaporation needs heat energy which it takes from surroundings and leads to decrease in temperature. So that's why cooling takes place. Students, we already have discussed all the questions, all the topics in our previous video. So you don't skip any videos in my channel. Okay. Question number 32. Cotton being a solid floats on water. Why? It has less density, has weak interparticle force of attraction. So that's why solid floats on water. 33. Question number. Give 2 reasons to justify that water is liquid at room temperature. So there's so many properties, so many reasons, but here is only 2. Water has fixed volume and not fixed shape. Water can flow from higher level to lower level. Question number 34. We feel cold when we touch a piece of ice. Why? It is because ice takes heat from our body and therefore we feel cold. Question number 35. Why a balloon kept in a sun burst after some time? It is because pressure exerted by air inside the balloon increases in sunlight, due to which it burst. Okay. Question number 36. On a hot humid day, why do people perspire a lot? It is because rate of evaporation decreases when humidity is high. That's why there are lots of water vapors in air already. Question number 37. Evaporation is known as surface phenomenon. Why? The answer will be the kinetic energy of surface molecules increases, which gets evaporated first. We know that the kinetic energy is the rate of kinetic energy are also be increases, then the evaporation also be faster. So therefore it is called surface phenomenon. Question number 38. Which property of gas is used in supplying oxygen cylinder to hospitals? Answer. It can be easily liquefied at high pressure and low temperature. Means high pressure and low temperature we will convert the gas into liquid. Question number 39. Out of honey or ink, which will diffuse faster and why? Student, you know the diffusion. Already we discussed in the previous video. So answer will be ink because it has lower density than honey and has less interparticle force of attraction. Now question number 40. Ice at 273 Kelvin is more effective in cooling than water at 273 Kelvin. Why? Answer. It is because of latent heat of fusion of ice. The last question, question number 41. Why does the temperature remain constant during the change in the state for a substance? So answer will be due to latent heat. Okay. Students, to get the notes, question answer and exercise of this chapter, press the bell icon after subscribing so that whenever I upload the video, you will get immediate notifications. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share this channel, Azido Academy.